Hello everybody, my name is Krish and today I'm gonna teach you about how to merge and unmerge cells. You can find the merge options under Home tab in the alignment section. You can see there is a merge and center options. If you click on this arrow, you can see there are 4 options for merge and unmerge. So let's go ahead one by one what all this option actually does. Let's say you have a date here and you want to put this date in all these cells at one time. So you can merge all these cells in one and you can put this date in the center by using the first options. So you can select the first options and let's see what it does. As you can see, the text, the date, actually merged in the center. Exactly as the name say, merge in center. You can use for the second cell, that is list of names, and we will try to do it the same merge in center. It again merges all the cells in one and put the text in the center. So let's say if you have names of different people and you want to merge across these cells, you can use the second options. So I will use this option, merge across, for all these 3 persons' names. So I will select all these 3 person, John, Alex and Daniel, and I will select all these blank cells. And let's try merge across. As you can see, all these cells merge together by one. Now the third option is actually merge cells. This is similar to the merge in center options, but actually what it does, it only merges the cells in one without locating the cells in the center. So we can select these 3 cells of department who have same name with IT, IT and IT. So I will select all these 3 cells and I will use the third options. As you can see, there is a warning coming from the Excel which say that the selection contains multiple data values. Merging into one cell will keep the upper left most data only. So according to this warning, it say if you are using the third options, the data which will be merged here will be the upper left most data only. So in these 3 cells, the upper data will be the first cell. Because we selected only one column, there is no left data. So it will merge the first cells only. So just click OK and you can see it merges the first cell. That's IT. If you wanted to unmerge cells, you can use the fourth option. And you can see the cells being unmerged. For explaining the third options, I can give you an example how it works. Let's say that you have some numbers here, 1, 2, and 3. And let's say 4, 5, and 6. And you wanted to merge all these 3. If you will be merging it and using the third options, according to this warning say, merging into one cell will keep the upper left most data only. So in this case, the upper left most data will be only 1. So it will give you the results only 1 by merging all these 6 cells. So click OK and you can say that only number 1 is only merged and is visible. So this is the merging and unmerging options in Excel. I hope it will help you a lot. Thank you guys for watching this video and have a great day.